Hi there. It's great to have you back on my CryptoQ Media channel. Participants in the XRP network. Be careful, because this is a trap. You would be joining 90% of investors in thinking the markets are looking extremely optimistic right now. This is great news for institutions since it allows them to sell their leveraged long positions, which they utilize to make money whenever prices go up or down. Then they agree to it. And then you wonder why, when these folks are flush with cash, you're left with absolutely nothing. If you want to stay away from that person, then you should definitely watch today's video. We'll go over a slew of news updates, the technical aspects of XRP, and its short-term forecast. Lastly, we have the positive side, which is present and indicates future price movement for XRP. Now that we've taken care of that, please hit that like button so we can start. First things first, we'll go over the most recent news items that many top agencies are trying to get you to believe in order to accomplish two things: 1. Boost their clicks, and 2. Build a story that will mislead investors. Why don't we go right down to brass tacks? Electronic trading fund net inflows have been looking great. In addition to the overall pattern of rising incoming and outbound flows. Quite the opposite, the levels are at their highest point since July, which is terrific news. Any and all of us can rejoice about this. The problem is that by the time you read this, we will have already experienced the inflows, price volume, and appreciation that come with those inflows, so it will likely be too late to buy if you are hoping for short-term profits. Additionally, I will provide you an example to clarify my point. Behold this: in the past 7 days, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 8.51%. We did, in fact, exceed 65,000 in Bitcoin almost immediately. However, the story will seem slightly different in a month's time. Actually, we haven't made any money yet. Bitcoin was trading at about 70,000 a month ago, when we were thinking about the end of July. On some platforms, Bitcoin was even trading above 70,000 or little higher. Looking back a little farther, we can observe that Bitcoin was trading at 73,000 at the beginning of the year, and that pullbacks occur around this area even now. I am obligated to share an intriguing tale with you all that has been revealed by the Bitcoin technical indicators: oversold, overbought. It appears like more down days are on the horizon for Bitcoin, as it is presently very overbought on the daily chart. This is the trap that I am talking about. Investor confidence is at an all-time high right now. Long positions outnumber short ones right now. When institutions notice that a lot of people are buying stocks long, they will be ready to sell a lot as well. Not long ago, XRP and I were having a comparable discussion, and XRP is currently facing a similar situation. Also, as Bitcoin falls in value, XRP will do the same. Not only that, but XRP is looking more overbought on the daily and weekly charts, which means it could see more negative price action than Bitcoin in the near future. I feel obliged to let you know about this because it will definitely persist for some time, maybe a few weeks for XRP, but probably no more than 3 or 4 days for Bitcoin. Reason being, things alter drastically when we look at the charts every day or week. This is it: if you want to be a Bitcoin investor for the long run, now is the time to do it. Bitcoin is essentially making a full circle on the monthly chart, as shown in the middle of the line. This means that the monthly charts show almost no movement. Next month, we will likely still be in the same spot as we are now. This is the foundation upon which everything else I'm going to teach you rests. Stay tuned, because what I'm about to divulge about XRP and the Fed is sure to impact the price significantly. So, the Fed's rate cut has been making headlines in the cryptocurrency industry as of late, and the effects are plain to see. Would I be right when Fed Chair Jerome Powell decided to keep interest rates constant for a long time? Consequently, the bear market persisted for a lot longer than expected. My first impression was that it would accurately reflect the current state of affairs. However, even with that in mind, we still do not have a strong position. We regret to inform you that our current inventory is in this clip. We hear Jerome Powell angling for a rate decrease in September, saying things like, "You know, we're gonna be decreasing rates 100%. Powell's words echo this sentiment. On the other hand, it becomes terrifying when markets start to anticipate a rate cut and then it doesn't materialize. Exactly that. It becomes quite gloomy, doesn't it? The market starts to sell at a much faster speed now. Furthermore, assets that were overpriced because of baseless speculation will soon be overpriced again. Another great opportunity to make a killing has presented itself. There must be some positive aspects, right when the selling price of an item exceeds its acquisition price. Yes, it's wise to buy when prices are low, and I can almost guarantee that a slew of incredible sales will be happening very soon. The straightforward announcement by Jerome Powell, "Yeah, we're not going to lower rates," served as a powerful catalyst for this. A very crimson day could be in store if that happens. Additionally, I'm still not sure if this is happening right now, but we'll be sure to keep an eye out for it since, if it happens, that day will be historic, won't it? When that happens, I plan to start a long trade using 10x leverage since I think XRP will crash 10% and Bitcoin will fall another 4% to 6%. Presumably, the creator or CEO of Telegram was recently apprehended. TON, the cryptocurrency used by Telegram, has suffered a loss of 2.7 billion. Whales are a group of extremely rich investors who are reaping the benefits of this. As a result of the CEO's incarceration, retailers are selling their Bitcoin currency in a panic, and whales are buying it up for tens of billions of dollars. Here it is, plain and simple. A mountain of cash. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, it finally fell after the CEO's imprisonment. Before recovering marginally to a level of 5.33, the price fell as low as 5.52. It has subsequently returned. This is the very definition of a panic sell, though, so pay attention. Okay, he was arrested, the general populace exclaims. Finally, it's over. You see, the issue is that Toncoin is an ecosystem that operates decentralizedly. You can say the same thing about Telegram. Even though Telegram's CEO was arrested, Toncoin might still be around. That being said, I am making my first purchase of this cryptocurrency, Toncoin, right now. Having said that, I do trust Telegram's infrastructure, I support their initiatives, and I think there are plenty of coins on sale right now. As you can see, it has suffered a 20% decline during the last week. No matter what happens, I won't be the least bit concerned. Everything will be okay, though, if the founder can stay out of jail. You are aware that Telegram is advancing. It has everything turned back on now. What the hey guys, Todd coins are at their previous level, if not higher, as a result of the favorable press and media coverage. Tomcoin has shown remarkable potential throughout bull runs, with a 280% increase year to date. That being said, I want to buy more of this coin very soon. A truly potent play, this is a great chance to purchase. On top of that, I find it quite unlikely that you would turn down a chance like this. Alright. Okay, all of you, I'm going to talk about the present status of XRP. The XRP, Tether Us analysis, finally, the part where you've all been waiting. Because, come on, XRP is about to encounter some scary technical problems. So far, Hasn't it been the pinnacle as anticipated? The cross of doom is visible on the one-day stochastic RSI chart for XRP. Suddenly, everything changed. Okay, the blue line is clearly falling, which means we were way overbought and are now heading downhill. Also, using the weekly chart, everyone. When the weekly and daily charts meet in the same area, it is a very negative sign for these traders who only look at the short term. It is my expectation that XRP will face some difficulties during the course of the next 2 weeks. Yes, I do think we'll probably go back to 50 cents here, but the important thing is what happens after that. Given that we can, in fact, buy 52 to 48 cents more XRP. We will invest heavily in XRP within that range once you wait a little. In the next 5 to 6 months, XRP is expected to rise above 1, thus an investment of, say, 50 cents on average will yield a return of 20 times your initial investment. Afterwards, it can reach 10 during the cycle's apex. Your attention in seeing my web video is greatly appreciated. If you're new to my channel and have just subscribed, I appreciate it. Later on, I shall see you.